In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Weather Stats in Google Sheets add-on. This tool allows you to integrate up-to-date weather data directly into your spreadsheets, which can be incredibly useful for tracking weather conditions over time, planning events, or for business purposes. Let's dive right in and explore how to set everything up smoothly. To begin with, you'll need to open Google Sheets. Open any sheet where you want to import the weather data. Once you've got that set up, navigate your eyes or cursor to the menu bar where you'll find the Weather Stats add-on. Clicking on it will bring you a set of options. The next step is to highlight the cells from A2 to A7. This range will typically include the dates for which you're interested in collecting weather data. Once you have these cells highlighted, just click on Use Active Selection under the Dates section. Doing this instructs the add-on to consider these particular dates for gathering weather stats. Now, let's move on to the locations from which you want to retrieve weather data. Highlight cells B2 to B7 in your sheet. Once you've selected these, proceed to click on Use Active Selection under the Locations menu. This step is crucial as it defines where geographically your data will be pulled from. The Weather Stats add-on gives you the flexibility to choose specific weather elements you'd like to track. To access these options, find the Weather Elements section and click on Show More. Doing so reveals an array of weather conditions that can be added to your dataset. To start, click on Conditions to add basic weather status information such as clear, cloudy, or rainy. Then click on Feels Like to obtain data on how the temperature is perceived by humans, factoring in elements like wind and humidity. Additionally, you may want detailed humidity information. Click on Humidity for that. For those interested in wind patterns, the add-on provides options to click on Wind Gust and Wind Speed. By selecting these, you're essentially integrating more comprehensive wind data into your spreadsheet, which could be essential for specific analyses or reports. Finally, once you have configured all the weather elements that fit your needs, it's time to execute the process. Scroll down and click on Run. This will initiate the extraction and representation of the weather data in your selected cells. And there you have it, a functional Google Sheet filled with relevant and up-to-date weather information tailored to your specified criteria. With these steps, the Weather Stats add-on becomes a powerful tool to enhance your data analysis processes. Whether you're a data enthusiast, a business owner, or simply someone curious about patterns in the weather, this guide serves as a solid foundation to get you started with integrating weather data into your daily or professional life.